Go ahead and give me your
Name, rank, and serial number.
Exactly.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it. I'm Captain Colin McKinney. I'm an associate professor of math and computer science at Wabash College here in Indiana. I led two sessions here at Starbase Indy. The first was on Turing Tumbles, and the second was on robotics programming. So the Turing Tumbles are simple mechanical computers, and they have basically little colored marbles that fall, kind of like a Plinko game. And by putting the pieces in different configurations, you can actually build very simple but still functional elements that you would have in a real digital computer. So they teach the fundamentals of digital computing without any electricity being involved. And then there's also the fun tactile element of getting to put the pieces on the board and watching the marbles fall and the sounds that they make. And but fundamentally, you're learning digital programming or digital circuitry just in a non-electronic form. The robotics programming, most of the kids that came were under 10 years old, and for them, for that age group or novice programmers, I love to start with graphical programming. So you assemble little blocks of code much in the same way that you would assemble little blocks of Legos to build something more grandiose and complicated. And that works really well for novice programmers because it's impossible for them to mess something up. An event like this really gives kids a chance to learn something that they wouldn't necessarily get in a school environment. And the Turing Tumbles one actually had mostly adults that came to play with them. And I think they were just as enthralled as the couple of kids that came. They kind of actually interact with them in the same way of, oh, what's going to happen if I do this? Or what does this thing over here do? And so that sort of inquisitiveness with it was really the same, which to me made it all the more fun.